In this video, I will show you how to link Xero to ATO. So first step is to navigate to the STP setup in your Xero. So log in your Xero accounting software and then click on this payroll from the menu, and after that click on this pay employees. Then locate the link at the top right of the screen labeled as setup single touch payroll. Simply click on it and then you will find this option, this window. Click on get started. Then you need to opt into the single touch payroll. So after clicking the get started, you will be presented with the overview of STP. Then you need to click on this opt to proceed. Then review your organization's detail. So Xero will automatically fill your business details including company name and ABN. Verify these details for accuracy and click continue once all information has been confirmed. And after that click on register, and then you will be redirected to the connection screen, which provide the instruction for linking Xero to ATO. Contact the ATO and provide them with your software ID, and then ATO will guide you through the registration process. And once the registered, Xero will link to the ATO, allowing you to file payroll data directly. After your Xero has been linked to your ATO, you need to file the STP reports with the ATO. So just go to the pay run history. Then you need to click on the latest pay run marks as not filed. Scroll down and then click on this file option. And then this will show you this window. So click on file now. After that, return to the pay run history, and the status of that last pay run will change to the pending, mentioning the ATO is processing the data, and once approved, the status will update to the filed. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and file your single touch payroll or STP reports in Xero, ensuring compliance with the ATO requirements. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.